Hello everyone. If you only have 15 minutes and you want to feel worked but not leave this video feeling drained, this is going to be the workout for you. I'm SIMONE SHARICE. Welcome to Sundai Olive Pilates. Let's get started. So starting off, I want you to go on all fours. We are just going to do some cat-cows toward the spine just a tad. So you're going to round the spine, bring the eyes to the belly button. Inhale here. Exhale, drop the tummy down, bring the eyes all the way up. We are here for 2 more breaths. Inhale, tuck that tailbone, round the spine, bring the eyes over to the belly button. Inhale, and exhale to drop that tummy, bring the head all the way up. 1 more. We inhale here, exhale, round that spine. And drop that tummy, eyes come up, come into that neutral spine. Getting started in our first exercise. Extend that left leg back. Just lift that leg up, staying in that neutral spine and lower. So we inhale and lift and lower. I actually didn't start my timer, so I'm gonna guess what 15 minutes might be. So we're here and down. Extend and reach that toe long, lengthen that leg and lower. Keep those hips squared down to the ground and keep pressing that ground away. Your chest is gonna wanna drop down. If you're getting tired, keep pressing up and your belly button is sucked in, pulled in. Nice. We lift and lower. And breathe. You are here for 6 and 5 and 4 and 3 for 2. Last one, bring that leg down, tuck that toe under. I want you to just lift that left knee up. Bring that knee down, point that right toe, lift that leg up. Yep, tuck that toe under, lift the knee up, lower that knee, point that right toe, and lift. Beautiful, continue, inhale here, and I want you to bring your forehead up to your knee, bring that knee down, point that leg. So a little choreography here. We're also working the core as we round that spine up and pointing. Nice. And reach. Nice. You've got 3. And 2. And last one, hold here. Hold it up. Press that ground away. Extend the left leg up. Bring it back into that ball. And extend. For 5, reach that leg long. And 4. And 3. And 2. Last one. Reach that leg up. Nice. Bring that foot to the ground. Bend the knees. Just sit back into that child's pose for a quick little second. Quick little intermission. And we're back on all fours. Going ahead and switching over to that opposite side. Come down to your stomach. Place your palms right where it's in line with your shoulders. Tops of your feet are pressing into the mat. You'll take an inhale. Exhale, tuck that tailbone and begin to press up into a half swan. And slowly come back down. So you should be feeling the work being done also in your triceps. because you're keeping those triceps, squeezing those ribs. And up. And we're back down. Inhale here, exhale, press up using the backs of your arms only, peeling that belly button up a little bit higher. And back down. We are here for 2 more. Exhale as you come down. And last one. Inhale here. From here, you'll extend the arms all the way out. You'll lift the legs up, lifting the chest up. I was gonna say belly and chest up, and lower and back down. So we'll inhale to come up. Slowly exhale. As you bring the legs up, you're lifting those thighs off the ground, lifting that chest, pulling the shoulder blades back down, and slowly coming back down. Inhale. And slowly exhale. And inhale one more time. Hold. Begin swimming the legs, kicking the arms and legs for 5, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Slowly come all the way down. Place your arms by your side. Press back into that child's pose just to stretch out the back a little bit. So we're in a nice flexion position. Coming back to all fours. Let's go ahead and do that other side. I want you to extend that left leg out, keeping those hips squared, and lowering the leg. Lift that leg up and lower. And lift. And lower. Again, some things to remember. Drawing that belly in, right? Trying to knit those ribs together. I can't talk today. We're still keeping that knee directly underneath the hips, and the wrists are directly underneath the shoulders. And we lower. As you bring that leg up, can you squeeze that glute? As you lower that leg down, can you squeeze the hamstring? Yep, engaging the 2 muscles that we want to work right now. You are here for 6. And exhale to lower the leg. Inhale to come up. Right? If you feel like you're going in your lower back though, you might be bringing that leg up a little too high. We are here for 3. And 2. And last one, bring that leg down, tuck that toe under, reach the knee up, lower that knee down, reach that left leg up, back into that choreography. And round the spine. We're getting those lower abdominals. Reach. And round. Nice. And we reach that toe. And we round that spine up. Beautiful. Good job, you guys. Breaking a little sweat here, but it doesn't feel too intense, which is what we don't want for today's short workout. And round. We've just got 4 more. And 3. And 2. And last one, we hold. Hold, hold, hold. Take that right leg up. Nice. Round back in. Hold. Take that right leg up. Oh my God, what's wrong with me? And hold. And nice. You guys look so amazing, I'm sure of it. We're here for 5. And 4. And 3. And 2. And last one, bring it in, extend that leg long, come down to your knees. Again, we're back in that child's pose. Good job, you guys. Now we're gonna come to laying on our backs, just finishing off with some core work. I want you to bring both of your legs in tabletop. Extend your arms right over your shoulders. Going into your ab curl, bringing the arms down by your side. So we're here and back. Inhale here. Exhale to reach, curl those shoulders up. Yes. And back. 4, and just breathe. Inhale. Each time you come up a little bit, can you curl the shoulder blades up a little bit higher? Bring the eyes over the knees and back. We are here for a little while, just to end. And up and back. Nice. You've got 5 and 4. And this is one that I like to do daily. It is totally a full body workout, but it's hitting all the areas that I feel like we should be strengthening daily. 4, 2. Reaching the ribs to the hip bones. And last one. Place those hands behind the head. Yep, elbows in your peripheral. Go into your marches, hinging from the hip, hinging from the thigh. Nice. This is our finisher. Keeping those ribs in and together. We are here for 3 on each side. For 3, inhale here and back. Exhale here and back. 4, 2, and back. And 2, back. Last one. Good job, you guys. And actually I lied, I'm so sorry. Last thing, just rotate that chest for 5 and 4 and 3, 2, and last one. Bring the knees in, hug it on out. That was it. Total body, no equipment included. Give yourself a pat on the back for finishing today's video. You could have been doing anything at this hour and you chose to move your body. So shift your perspective, but be proud of yourself for showing up. I will see you guys in my next video. As always, follow Sundai Olive Pilates on Instagram and TikTok, and SIMONE SHARICE on all platforms. I'll see you guys. Bye. If you guys really enjoyed this video, be sure to visit sundaiolivepilates.com. This is where will be uploading all of my exclusive content. I think you guys will completely enjoy it. Also, if you are in Atlanta, I do offer in-person private reformer sessions. I also offer private mat and reformer virtual sessions. And every Saturday, or almost every Saturday, right? Check the website. We will be doing a live class, a group class all together. That will be on my website. You can check that schedule, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.